This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Inshot and loading the project you want to fix. This matters because borders are tied to canvas settings. Once inside, tap Canvas or Background to reveal aspect ratio and margin controls, since borders often appear from mismatched ratios. Make sure your clips match the selected frame size, for example 16, 9 versus 1, 1, and remove any padding. From here, you're ready to access the specific border toggle, so you can eliminate that visible line. Next, tap the border or frame toggle and switch it off. You do this because Inshot applies a default stroke when aspect ratios don't match. Once disabled, use Fit or Zoom to adjust the clip so edges reach the canvas cleanly, and avoid tiny gaps that create lines. If necessary, crop 1-2 pixels or use the stretch option lightly. This preserves composition while hiding seams. Make sure you apply the same settings to every clip to keep the final export uniform. Finally, preview the entire timeline at 100% zoom, and then export a short test clip at your target resolution to confirm the border is gone. This ensures playback scaling isn't reintroducing lines. If you still see a faint line, reopen the offending clip, increase crop by 1 or 2 pixels, or try exporting in a different codec or resolution, since rounding during export can cause single-pixel artifacts. If problems persist, restart Inshot and re-import the project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.